Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Ford Thunderbird convertible. And this car I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $40,000. And this was a real nice car. It had a rebuilt engine and transmission, a new top, interior, and brakes. And it was purchased originally by this owner in January 1991 in Scottsdale, Arizona, at a cruise auction back then. And it had not been in the rain since he had owned it. So, also the air conditioning and radio were inoperable. But the fact that it sold for $40,000 tells you how nice of a car it was. And 1959 being the metal year of the second generation Thunderbirds, which were made from 1958 through 1960. And when they went to the second generation, they quadrupled their sales. They sold 200,000 of the 58 through 60 Thunderbirds versus 50,000 of the 55 through 57 T-Birds. Those were two-seaters, and Ford thought that everybody would be interested in a four-seater, and that would increase their sales, and they got it right on the money. And the 59 was the metal year car. It was also the last year that they had the two tail lights per side. In 1960, the last year of the second generation, they had three tail lights on each side. That's how you can tell them apart, the 59 from the 60. Besides, the grille was different on each of the 3 years. But they also increased the wheelbase to 113 inches on the second generation ones. And of course, they weighed more. They weighed 800 pounds more than the first generation ones. But that's to be expected with the increased size and weight. But the engine was a 352 with 300 horsepower. And as far as sales go, in 1959, Ford sold 1,450,953 cars. And out of that, 67,456 were Thunderbirds. And out of that, 10,261 were convertibles. So that makes this one of 10,261 made in 1959. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1959 Ford Thunderbird convertible. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Tell a friend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.